I don't know what the hell is going on. चीजें उल्टी पुल्टी होते ही जा रही है हर चीज में.
इसको उसमें डाल दो.
ये इसको
अरे एसी ऑन करो भाया.
एसी ऑन है बेटे.
वेलकम टू आवर chaos.
इसको ये बोल दो.
Decide कर लो क्या बोलना है.
Kader Khan. Like he'll never.
She is exactly Kader Khan, and I don't even know who this person is.
Shoes we are alive.
We are very alive.
And Tasreen Kadi is Kader Khan. किस में किसके डालो.
Today is a good day. I climbed. I feel better.
Kader Khan's movies you haven't seen.
And I love the
He
chaos.
always.
Hi, hello. Happy weekend from all of us. Well, kind of all of us. The others are parking. We are entering Serramonte. It is Saturday. I was going to say Sunday. It is a Saturday. And we are about to go surprise Khalid. But it's actually not going to be a surprise because all of us have each other's locations on iPhone. So he probably knows where we are. Pretty much. And Mom, look at you like tying the cardigan on your waist and everything.
What else to do? I don't want to catch it.
Okay, alright. We're about to go, hopefully surprise, not surprise, we'll find out Khalid at his jewelry kiosk and hang out at the mall today. Want to do a little bit of light shopping, light being the key word.
Assalamu alaikum. He hasn't seen us yet. He's in the middle of a sale. I'm not disturbing him. We're like all the way here.
Look at what Zoya went and got. Zoya, explain what this is.
It's a tamarind stick.
It's imli with some kind of super mild mirchi on it, which is hella yummy.
So good. Nothing better.
I saw these heels the other day as well, and I wasn't going to buy any heels because let's be real, when the hell am I going to wear heels next? But they're really smart, and my mom was like, you're going to regret not having them later when you do start wearing heels. Plus, the price is amazing for Marc Fisher pairs. So, हाँ ये वाला पिटारा अगर मैंने खोल दिया तो काफ़ी चीज़ें ले लूँगी. I've resisted so far. Let's see. Good morning. It is, I want to say around close to noon, 11 something. I've lost track of time. I stayed up all of last night, clearly did not even take off all of my mascara properly. I'm doing that now. I've taken a hair bath. I stayed up last night till about, I want to say 5:30. I think I threw up about 4 times last night while watching Fabulous Lives on Netflix. I was just trying to keep myself entertained because I knew I was going to stay up. This is the problem. I feel normal, I step out, and then that one day of stepping out results in, and it wasn't even like a whole day. We stepped out yesterday at about 3:20. I remember seeing the time at 3:20, and we were home by like 9:30, 10, I think. And that's the thing. I get so tired, and my body is just so not. I don't want to say it's not coping with me because the good thing is it's coping with baby, and that's what matters right now. But like I step out trying to be normal one day and it punches me down for the next couple of days. We're rolling with the punches at this point. I am okay with this because this is my current. You have to be okay with it because you have to understand. I have to understand rather that this is my present tense, right? And if I don't be okay with it, then I will not know how to cope with it. So I'm just constantly reminding myself to try to just trust the process, go with the flow. It's all good. I have an amazing emotional support system. I am so grateful for my home, so grateful for my chachi. I'm so grateful for my chachu, Khalid, Zoya. They have all taken so much care of me. Like I'm, like they've taken as much care of me as if I am the newborn. You know what I mean? They have been so generous with their time and effort and love. Things that were planned, but things that have been unplanned. Like everything else that has just happened along the way with my health and with me needing to extend and with me and just I'm grateful. Let's just say I'm very, very, very grateful for everything despite everything. That is just the attitude of gratitude. I always tell myself the agenda for today is to hopefully do nothing much. Khalid, Tasneem Chachi and Arif Chachu have stepped out to go. There was actually a farmer's market they really wanted to take me to, but I didn't have the energy for it at all. Like, literally nothing. So they've gone to pick up a few things for breakfast. Tasneem Chachi was very keen on me trying these specific bagels that she likes very much, and she's gone to get those. Apart from the bagels and Khalid video called me asking me which donuts I like. So there are some chocolate donuts on the way. Mama is already having some breakfast on the phone with Papa right now. And yeah, that's what's been going on. The agenda for today really truly is to just be home. If I edit some stuff, I'll edit some stuff because I've been good about my vlog edits. I'm like, now I've caught up because I've been at home so much and I haven't stepped out much. The last 10 to 12 days, I think, maybe a couple more. And of course the idea is just to kind of relax, get my energy back. I have received a couple more PR packages, so if I'm up to it tomorrow, I would really like to film a little bit. But I'm making no promises to myself because I'm truly taking each day one at a time, and then we'll see how the day goes. The weather today is kind of nice. It's warmish, but it's also cold winds, which is my favorite combination. I haven't gone for a walk in the last couple of days, so maybe if I garner enough energy by evening, I'll go to a nice slow walk in the evening. Washing my hair felt really, really good. I'm avoiding washing my hair as much because it is cold over here compared to Bombay especially. And in any case, I think when I wash my hair once a week, I'm good. Gee, Mama, I'm downstairs. Can you hear me? She can't hear me. Okay, I'm gonna go check on what she has to say and we'll catch up with you a little bit later.
What smells beautiful? Show here. Show the vlog.
The bagel.
They went to get bagels. Okay, that does smell really nice. It smells of jalapeno also. They went to get bagels, but they also got batta. They also got Khalid kya laya? Donuts, popcorn, and clothes. This has been a Sunday morning shopping spree between all three of them. And ये क्या है? Daughter Tasneem, sugarcane juice. And now breakfast is being prepared over there. 12:30 बज रहे हैं. Hi, before we go further into this very fun but also very chaotic vlog, I want to pop on here and talk about a brand that I love so much and that if you followed me for a while, you know already that I love so very much. The one I'm talking about is a homegrown brand which makes me even more proud to constantly be able to associate with them, Plum Body Lovin'. Plum Body Lovin' is a brand that does absolutely fantastic body bath products, and you know that I worked on their event for the launch of the Vanilla Caramello range at some point last year. Now, this Vanilla Caramello lotion literally travels with me every single time, and the fact that there is winter over here in California, I've never experienced winter like this in America. This has been my best friend. I applied all over my body. Literally, Jerry was applying it for me the other day because I'm that pregnant right now where I literally can't always bend and apply it on like my feet and my ankles and my calves. So he literally was helping me with this the other day. And I bank on what this does for my skin so much. When I heard that they won the Elle India Beauty Award for the best lotion, I shouldn't have been surprised, but I also was like, wow, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, I'm always cheering for this brand, this product, this range in particular. I cannot forget to mention that this lotion has its own EDP version as well, so the same fragrance in 2 different formats. If you want to get your hands on that or that with this, layer them up, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna leave links to that for you down below in the description section as well. I'm carrying one of their shower gels here with me in the travel size, which is almost over at this point, but again, a product, fragrance family as a whole, clearly, that I love so much. So congratulations Team Plum Body Lovin' on the Elle India Beauty Award for the best lotion. So well deserved, and I'm so happy to be able to share with you that they actually have another new launch as an extension to their lotion family, which I have over here. Marshmallow melt. I shouldn't be drooling while talking about skincare, but I kind of am. Do you see this visual over here, which is like a marshmallow dipping in chocolate? That is literally what this lotion smells like. It comes enriched with shea butter and the formula is absolutely fantastic. But I cannot stop raving about the smell. I would like to officially petition for the Plum Body Lovin' team to do this exact fragrance in like a mist or a perfume. It will smell like hotcakes. I was about to say it will sell like hotcakes. Clearly my brain is just thinking about the smell and I'm losing track. This luscious, rich, dessert-like smelling lotion comes enriched with shea butter, vitamin B5, and is so lightweight and non-greasy. I love how easily it slips onto the skin and literally makes me feel like I'm applying a cup of cozy cocoa all over my skin. The combination of the marshmallow cocoa is something that you are absolutely going to love and find so irreplaceable within your skincare collection. Apart from the lotion, they have one more new launch, which is their Moon-Kissed Drama launch, which we have over here. Moon-Kissed Drama is an EDP that is a flirtatious blend of blackberries, sweet rose, and sensual musk. This is a fragrance that is long-lasting and you're going to love it. I love that Plum's fragrances, I have to mention, are kind of like, I don't think they intend on making dupes, but their fragrances are so good that you could dupe some really cool luxury perfumes with their range. And it's not just about that first whiff, it's also about how long their fragrances last, their EDPs last, which I really truly appreciate. If you want to get your hands on anything I've talked about in today's video, be sure to use the links down below in the description section. You can use the code ANAMC15 for 15% off on Plum's website, apart from which you can also make the most of the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which is currently going on. I will leave links to absolutely everything down below in the description section. Congratulations on the award once again, Team Plum Body Lovin'. I shouldn't say I'm proud of you because it's not like mera koi haath tha is product ke formulation mein, but it just feels so nice to see an indie homegrown brand absolutely kill it in its niche. And thank you for constantly associating with me. Thank you for sponsoring a portion of today's video, and I cannot wait to see what launches they come up with next. For now, let's get back to the vlog, but don't forget to check those links out down below and use the discount code ANAMC15 for your 15% off.
You can't turn your laptop on.
Hasi aa rahi hai. I want to cry.
In the middle of everything that could be going wrong in my life right now, the worst, I mean not the worst, but like the stupidest thing has gone ahead and happened. My laptop isn't switching on. My days in bed I have found to be productive because I sit and I edit and I do admin work, and I have not been able to do anything since morning. I used my laptop regularly for the past how much ever time I've been here in general in life, and my laptop refuses to switch on since this morning. And now after like about half an hour, 40 minutes of trying something or the other, looking up things online, Khalid and I are on our way to Valley Fair Mall, which is where I bought the iPhone from, and hopefully something normal comes out of it. I'm not buying a new laptop. It is not on my 2024 bingo card. Like, cannot be. Just bought the phone. एक बड़ा वाला खर्चा हो गया है और कोई बड़ा वाला खर्चा नहीं करना है यहाँ पे.
probably the only time in my life I've bought something from Apple and I'm actually feeling so blah about it. It was the quickest decision I ever made. I didn't even go through all those options. I went through with what they suggested to me. I bought the new Mac. Aren't they going to release a new MacBook Pro in a couple of months? No, they did.
No,
This is
MacBook
that
design.
one. Thank God. Wow. I bought the new MacBook Pro 14-inch in the black color with the M3 Pro chip. I did not want to make a purchase. I literally said it on the way, saying a new laptop is not on my bingo card for 2024. I swear after this, I'm not even gonna buy a hairpin for the rest of this trip. I'm so just annoyed. $2,000 ka, $2,042 ka fatka, just like that. They kept us waiting for like an hour. They checked, diagnosed, did everything on my actual laptop, which is by the way in the bag with us on the way back home. And they can't switch it on. It's a motherboard issue, which they call logic board over here. But they're saying even if you give it to us and we check the logic board, which is like $60, there's no guarantee your data is going to come back. There's no guarantee the laptop's going to come on. There's no guarantee to anything. So option one was just spending that $660 with the data definitely being gone, they said, because the logic board being pulled out means data is gone. And option two was just buy a new laptop and pray for a miracle. So they have a really cool system over here where you can come back and return a laptop in 14 days. You can return any Apple items within 14 days, right? 14 days to 1 month.
2 weeks and then another 14 days.
Something like that. So I have taken the new laptop. I am going to keep my fingers crossed that an overnight charge may just be miraculous and may just switch my old laptop on. If that happens, I have every intention of coming and giving this laptop back because zabardasti ke kharch ho gaye ye mere, and it was not planned. I didn't want to. I'm so blah about it. I'm so annoyed about it. But mera luck thoda aise chal raha hai. So I'm just kind of, but you need a laptop because that's literally my office. What else do I do? On our way back home. Less than 2 weeks from buying my laptop, the Apple drama, computer drama rather, continues. We are back at the mall and it turns out that they've just announced the new M4 chip and I bought the M3 Pro chip, and within 2 weeks you can give a laptop back, any Apple electronic back, even if it's been used. So my cousin Khalid obviously suggested do it because it's the same price and you get the newer laptop. So here I am back at the mall. Thankfully this time, however, I did not install much on the laptop. I don't know how or why. Somehow I kept working on my drives and everything, but it turned out to be in my favor because now I've brought the laptop here. I'm going to give it back, take the full refund which they give you, and book the new M4 Pro chip, which is much higher configuration than the M3 Pro chip that I bought. The only catch, and this catch is really like messing with my head. Today is a Monday. No, today is Tuesday. Monday. The M4 Pro chip comes in on Friday. So I'm basically going to be laptopless for like 4 days.
I'm just grateful that Apple hasn't introduced an exchange your husband for an upgraded model.
Stupid. Also, please note, in the middle of all of this, Jerry's laptop is giving us problems. I don't know what the hell is going on. चीजें उल्टी पुल्टी होते ही जा रही है हर चीज में. And we decided to show his laptop also over here before it conks off like mine did. Just in case there is a good trade-in, we'll get a trade-in for his laptop. I don't know, this kharcha that has happened on this trip now, and the just one weird thing after another. It's a story time for another bloody day. The new laptop has been ordered.
doesn't arrive, and it will directly at home, hopefully, in the next 4 days. I've paid for it and everything. And now I'm officially laptopless because I just gave this laptop back at the Apple store. What am I going to do for the next 4 days? Just shoot, I guess, or sleep. I don't know. Yeah, basically. This is the first time in my life I'm officially laptopless. Jerry is holding his laptop because we were going to check for his trade-in, but we kind of didn't go for it. And I guess I'm going to be using his laptop for a few things here and there over the next few days. We've stopped walking towards the car because these two monkeys are doing something. What, are you trying to get the car to come to us?
Yes.
Are you serious? That's really scary. I just don't want to sit in a car that's driving itself literally. Are you fucking serious? Can it stop? Okay, that's gonna bang something. Khalid, what are we doing? Excuse me. Hello, you need to come here. Where is it going? Stop it. Where is it going? This is what happens when you expect too much out of machines. It's going further. Stop the car. It's gonna let you drive it, right? Yeah. Okay. I have no interest in becoming a news story. Oh, I can't read. 1 second. Okay, so this package arrived this morning while I was very much still in bed, and I've had breakfast and everything, so I think I'm mentally prepared to check this now. The reason I'm saying mentally prepared is because there has been so much of tech drama that has gone down in my life since I got here. It was the phone switching at first, then it was the laptop absolutely randomly dying. Then it was getting a laptop and thinking I have a solution and starting to set it up, and then realizing, oh wait, it makes no sense for me to keep this laptop because the new laptop just got announced. I'm so grateful for the fact that they have that 2-week window for returning things here, which I'm thoroughly fascinated by and I appreciate so much. Here we have the all new laptop that I'm really excited to actually get familiar with and start using. I have been laptopless for the past 5 days. Today is the 5th day, and I have so much of stuff to get done, so much of work back home to coordinate, so many things that I will need to reinstall yet again and set up. So I want to say I have a long day ahead of me, but I also have other things today, so I have no idea how I'm going to split up my day time wise. The one thing I do know is that I was scheduled to do a shoot today for a client that I'm now not going to be able to do. I will try and find time for that on Monday. In typical Anam style, I have kept buffers in time and schedule, so I'm okay on that front. I will miss no timelines if all goes well, and I need to get around to unboxing this baby. Let's do it. You are more excited for this than me, no? मेरी मजबूरी में खरीदा था, कोई इरादा नहीं था इस साल लैपटॉप को ये करने का. आपको ही खोलना पड़ेगा. Here we have it, the all new M4 Pro chip MacBook Pro 14-inch space black, slate black. What's the color called exactly? Let's unbox. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go.